Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we're gonna be making a yummy shot, a delicious shot, a fun shot. We're gonna be making the Zombies Bar Tootsie Roll shot. Okay, now the ingredients for tonight's shot. We're gonna be using good old Titos Vodka. We're gonna be using Dekyper Creme de Coco, or Cacao, however you'd like to say that. We're gonna be using Juarez Triple Sec. You can use any Triple Sec. These are the ingredients for tonight's shot, guys. Let's get to making it. All right, now to make our shot, first thing you want to do, grab you a shot glass right there. Now we'll take our mixing tin, put some ice in it. All right, now, first ingredient, we have Titos Vodka. We're going to do a ½ ounce. Second ingredient, the Creme de Coco, or Cacao, ½ ounce. Last ingredient, your Triple Sec, ½ ounce. Okay, we're gonna put those in our tin, shake it up real good. Get it nice and cold. Cool. Wrestle this thing open. Nice. Oh, smells good. Guys, and it's a real simple shot. That is the Zombies Bar Tootsie Roll shot. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Zombies Bar Tootsie Roll shot. You guys have got to try this at home. If you guys like candy shots, this is definitely one that you got to try. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like and the subscribe button down below. If there's a certain drink, a shot, something you guys would like me to make, put it in the comments section down below. I'd love to try, some of y'all's recipes coming up. Till our next video, I'll see you then.